Let's talk about drug use in America. When it comes to stats on drug use, believe it or not, it's kind of hard to get the proper tables or charts because there's just so many different variables you can use. If you just want to look at different drugs over time, that's one thing. But you got to ask, well, what variable are we using? This happens to be number of users in the past year, 12 years of age and older. So they ask these people, 12 years of age and older, have you used this drug in the past year? Yes or no? Okay, so that's really nice. But look at this data over here. This is percentage of high school seniors using alcohol, marijuana, cigarettes, and smokeless tobacco. So there's a lot of different ways to represent the data. But what the data does show is there was an enormous amount of drug use in the 70s and 80s, especially when it came to cannabis and cocaine and amphetamines. And drug use is actually dropping. If we look at alcohol use in seniors, we see that's also dropping. Marijuana use was very high in the 70s, and then it dropped off, and it's kind of been leveling off a little bit. This is going to 2013. I've seen some data up to 2018. It doesn't show much of a bump so far. The one variable that does show some change over time is opiates, heroin use. And we'll talk about that a little later when we get to the slide on the opiate epidemic.